batch 2002 and 2003. At di ba sa batch 19 batch 8 na nito.
Mga candidate, ano yung batch?
King and Queen, 50th Grand Alumni Homecoming. We have Ma'am Lyra Amigolio Tolentino and Sir Vito Mingogio. From batch 80, 8081. Ayan. 81.
Yung ano talaga.
Start of our Pampang Alumni Homecoming 2015. Our founder, Edo, is here with me.
Paminaw Pinoy sa among pasumbingay, ning kalibutan
Our King and Queen, 50th Grand Alumni Homecoming. Ayan sila.